Hey everyone, Mark here. If you own a smart speaker like a Google Nest device or an Amazon Alexa powered smart speaker, you probably know that you can set reminders and timers with it. So for example, you can say, okay, blank, remind me to call Mr. Smith at 2 p.m. today. Or if you're baking something in the oven, you can say, set a timer for 15 minutes from now or something like that. But did you know your smart speaker can also be used to remember things for you? So for example, and I'm going to mute out the second word in case it accidentally activates your smart speaker, but I can say something like, okay, remember my spare car keys are in the kitchen drawer. And she'll confirm.
Okay, I'll remember that.
All right, and then at any time in the future, you can say something like, okay, where did I leave my spare car keys? And you should hear something like this.
I remember you told me. My spare car keys are in the kitchen drawer.
Pretty cool stuff, right? So give it a shot for yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm Marc Saltzman.